Hey fellow gardeners, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my vegetable garden slash I can call it my tulip garden. So in the fall I plant these beautiful tulips. I'll put a link to how I did it in October. I have an Instagram reel. It doesn't look like much. I'll throw up a piece of the video here. It's that time of year. I'm filling my boxes with tulips so we can have some spring joy. I'm laying them out 50 on each side, so I'll have 50 on that side, 50 on this side. I think I have 4 more beds I need to finish, and then we'll have all 16 done. But this is what you get in the spring. So today I'm going to be harvesting some of the tulips because I'm going to donate them to a nonprofit, and I'm excited about that, so I'm going to take you along for the journey. So let's go. Ricardo's going to help me harvest. We're going to make bouquets here in the garden. It's going to be beautiful. Let's go. So this is the real fun part. So I realized as I was cutting the tulips, pulling the tulips, the dominant color in the garden is red. So what we did was we pulled a bunch of reds first. I'm going to use that as my base for each arrangement. And then we're going to add the other colors because we don't have a lot of like the pinks and the purples. But we want it to be that mix of color. So here we go. Now I have a little process here. So this is my vase. I have a bucket of water because when you pull it out the soil, it's pretty dirty. And then I have something down here for the trash. So I feel like I have a little system. figure out the other colors. I'm gonna rinse and repeat this process. We're gonna fast forward through that and just keep going. We have quite a few to do.
So get some white stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so it took me a minute to figure out my base. So I'm going to do 5 reds, 3 yellows, then I'm going to do whites and purples. So that's the base. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna do 1. Some will have white and that purple blush color. That's why I said more yellow and red. So red is the dominant color that we have. I think our blend from last year was better. It was more evenly distributed.
Also think last year.
Yes, they were. These are big too. They're not as gorgeous. I made a total of 14 bouquets, all from the garden. Here's the best part. It looked like I didn't even make a dent. Let me show you. It still looks full. I have so much more to give away. I love it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This was such a pleasure to make those bouquets, and we have plenty more to harvest and give away. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. This is such a beautiful thing, how we can create joy for others from our own garden. Bye. Have a great day.